Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix Slack invalid blocks error. This error usually happens when your Slack Block Kit message is incorrectly formatted, has missing field, or contains invalid JSON structure. First, make sure your block field is a valid JSON and properly formatted. Each block must include a required type such as section or divider. Even a small syntax mistake can trigger this error. After that, just go ahead and remove any unsupported or custom field that are not allowed in the Slack bot kit, and also make sure your message is not too large, because oversized payload can also cause this failure. Now test with a simple block message first, and then slowly add more block to find where the issues start. In most cases, this issue is fixed by correcting the JSON structure and keeping block clean and valid. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Slack invalid block error by validating JSON structure, checking required field, removing unsupported data, and testing with simpler blocks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial video.